Navigating import permits and licenses. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to handle import permits and licenses. Importing goods often requires obtaining specific permits or licenses from the relevant authorities. Understanding the process, requirements, and documentation involved in obtaining import permits and licenses is crucial to ensure compliance with regulations and facilitate a smooth importation process. Join us as we delve into the steps to effectively handle import permits and licenses. Import permits and licenses are official documents issued by government agencies that grant permission to import specific goods into a country. These permits and licenses are often required to comply with regulatory and safety standards, protect public health, control imports of restricted goods, and monitor trade activities. To handle import permits and licenses effectively, importers must first identify the goods that require permits or licenses for importation. Each country has its own list of regulated goods, and it is essential to determine whether the goods being imported fall under any specific control or licensing requirements. Once the import requirements are identified, importers should thoroughly research the specific permits or licenses needed to import the goods. This may involve consulting with the relevant government agencies, trade associations, or seeking guidance from customs brokers or trade consultants experienced in the specific import requirements. Importers should gather and prepare the necessary documentation for the permit or license application process. This may include product certifications, technical specifications, safety data sheets, compliance certificates, or any other supporting documentation required by the regulatory authorities. Carefully completing the application form for import permits or licenses is vital. Importers should ensure that all required information is accurately provided, paying close attention to details such as product descriptions, quantities, country of origin, and relevant identification numbers. Promptly submitting the completed application form and all required documentation to the relevant government agency is crucial to avoid delays in obtaining the necessary import permits or licenses. Importers should meet the specified deadlines and closely adhere to any submission procedures. Importers should proactively communicate and maintain open dialogue with the relevant government agencies during the application process. Being responsive to inquiries, providing additional information if requested, and promptly addressing any issues or concerns is essential to facilitate the approval of import permits or licenses. In some cases, government authorities may conduct inspections or audits of the importer's facilities or goods before granting import permits or licenses. Importers should be prepared to facilitate these inspections and provide any additional documentation or access as required. Importers should stay informed about any changes or updates to import permit or license requirements. Regularly monitoring updates from customs authorities, industry associations, or specialized publications helps ensure compliance with current regulations and facilitates a smooth importation process. Coordinating with suppliers and manufacturers to obtain the necessary supporting documentation is important in handling import permits and licenses. Clear communication channels with suppliers and prompt cooperation in providing required certifications or product information contribute to a successful application process. Depending on the complexity of the goods or the specific regulatory requirements, importers may consider engaging the assistance of customs brokers, trade consultants, or legal professionals specializing in import permit and license applications. These experts understand the process, requirements, and can provide guidance and support to ensure compliance. Maintaining accurate records and systematically organizing import permit and license documentation is crucial. Proper record keeping ensures that importers can readily access and provide the necessary documentation upon request from the customs authorities or regulatory agencies. Importers should conduct periodic reviews and audits of their import permit and license documentation processes. Regular assessments can help identify areas for improvement, refine procedures, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Utilizing technology solutions or software platforms designed to manage permit and license documentation can streamline the process and enhance efficiency. These tools can help importers maintain accurate records, track deadlines, and generate necessary documentation, ensuring compliance and facilitating the importation process. Importers should stay proactive and inquire about potential benefits or exemptions available through certain permits or licenses. Some countries may provide preferential treatment or reduced duties for specific goods, granting importers an opportunity to optimize cost savings and enhance competitiveness. Importers should keep a record of all obtained import permits and licenses, including relevant expiration dates and any renewal requirements. Maintaining awareness of renewal deadlines ensures continuous compliance and avoids disruption in the importation process. Maintaining open communication with customs authorities and regulatory agencies after obtaining import permits or licenses is crucial. Importers should promptly notify relevant authorities of any changes or updates regarding their operations, products, or contact information to ensure ongoing compliance. Handling import permits and licenses requires thorough research, accurate documentation, effective communication, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Importers should identify goods subject to permits or licenses, gather necessary documentation, complete applications accurately, and promptly submit them to the relevant authorities. By following these steps, importers can navigate the process efficiently and ensure compliance with import regulations. Thank you for watching this video on how to handle import permits and licenses. See you in our next video.